Have you ever wondered why industries and large buildings rely on three-phase electricity? It's not just a random choice, there's a solid reason behind it. Well, today, let's break it down in simple terms, all in under 3 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why three-phase electricity is so crucial. First, let's understand what three-phase electricity is. It's a type of polyphase system used by electrical grids worldwide to transfer power. Unlike the single-phase power used in most homes, which has just one live wire, three-phase power uses 3 live wires. This difference is fundamental to its efficiency. Think of it as having 3 power lines delivering electricity in a perfectly timed sequence. Each line carries a current that peaks at different times, ensuring a constant flow of power. This setup allows for a smoother and more reliable flow of electricity, reducing power fluctuations and increasing efficiency. This is particularly important for sensitive and high-power equipment. In a three-phase system, each of the 3 wires carries an alternating current that reaches its peak at different times. This staggered peak system is key to its effectiveness. They are spaced 120 degrees apart in terms of phase angle. This spacing ensures that the power delivery is balanced and continuous. As a result, there's always a continuous supply of power, no gaps. This is crucial for operations that cannot afford any downtime. This is why industries prefer three-phase power. It can run heavy machinery more efficiently without interruptions. Imagine the chaos if a factory's power supply was inconsistent. You'll find three-phase power in places like factories, hospitals, office buildings, and even electric vehicle charging stations. These are all environments where reliable power is non-negotiable. It's perfect for powering motors, large HVAC systems, and heavy-duty appliances. These systems require a lot of power, and three-phase electricity delivers it efficiently. So, what makes three-phase power so special? It's not just about having more wires, it's about how those wires work together to deliver power more effectively. It delivers more power using fewer wires. This means less material is needed for wiring, which can reduce costs and complexity in electrical installations. It's more efficient for running motors. Motors designed for three-phase power are generally more efficient and have a longer lifespan compared to their single-phase counterparts. And it reduces energy loss, which saves money in the long run. Lower energy loss means lower electricity bills and a smaller carbon footprint. So, next time you hear about three-phase electricity, you'll know it's not just about more wires, it's about smarter power distribution. Like this video, if you found this explanation helpful, there's more to learn. Hit the like button, subscribe for more electrical insights, and share with your friends. Your support helps us create more content like this. Follow Electrical Engineering Endowed for more quick and easy explanations about electrical concepts. Let's make learning electrifying. Stay curious and keep exploring the world of electricity.